picked up an order from Rafferty's. I am 10 minutes away, 4.5 miles. It says I'll arrive there at 6:43 p.m. Somewhat of a sunset going on. A little too cloudy to see much of anything though. If you're new here, I deliver for the gig apps that are popular for food deliveries. I'm a student right now, so it helps me make money and pay for tuition. I have a busy schedule during the school year, so it's convenient to be able to drive for these. Choose my own time to work in between classes and stuff. Sure if the video picks it up, but close to the airport right now. Quite a few airplanes flying overhead. Well, that's how we don't drive, in case you're curious. Safer than that person did. Is notorious for not great drivers though, so I am not surprised really.